I just got MFL's test, okay. And Ruskin's going right now. I'm gonna go in the house and get the rest of the test. And they're failing again. Oh, well, this went off for an unrecognized message. That's nice. Just got done with him at... Oh. That means TW's gonna go again. Better pass this time. And I think this went off. Yeah. Oh, it went off for a weekly test this time around. And they're going for their... Put this on channel 1. This is the third time they failed, apparently. They apparently tested one time already while I was trying to get MFL's test. Yeah, something's up with TVW. I swear.
Your coastal waters for the listening area for the following marine location. Coastal waters from Bonita Beach to Englewood, 29 miles.
There's something up with their system.
West of today, east winds 10 to 15 knots with gusts up to 15 knots with seas 2 to 3 feet. And inland waters light shock. Tonight, east winds 5 to 10 knots becoming...
There's a Discord call in the background.
Okay, national weather centers to preceding signal and the test of the marine and alarm for transmitters in the Florida listening area originating from Ruskin, Florida. This was also a test of the same system or specific area message encoder. The same system will alert only the county or counties affected by a particular warning. 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. unless severe weather threatens. This concludes the weekly test. We now return to regular programming.
Yeah, thanks for failing like 3 times. Really appreciate it. Nice job, bro.
Yeah, what they said.
NWR time forecast.
Past that time. And good thing they failed the first time because I was getting MFL's test.
These tests are conducted each Wednesday. We now return to regular programming.
Synopsis. A weak frontal system over 3 listening areas. For the following marine location, coastal waters from Bonita Beach to Englewood out 20.
About time they tested. There goes the antenna on that.
And inland waters light chop. Thursday.
This was on WXK.
10 knots, becoming south in the afternoon. And inland waters light chop. A slight chance of thunderstorms.
Alright.
A slight chance of showers.